Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can enable the family-friendly filter for your browsing on Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to the Opera browser on your desktop computer or laptop and navigate to your browser settings through these three lines in the top right and through that option at the very bottom of that sidebar. Go to full browser settings. So here in your browser settings, what you want to do guys is navigate to the system settings on the left hand side here. And here where you see use DNS settings, what you want to do is navigate to it by enabling it here to the right. And you will see this family friendly filter here, for example, or that one below. So by default it may be set to this DNS provider, but as you can see, that one here is for families and that one as well. So you may go with one of these. And option number 2, or that's doing this is optional, but what you may do as well guys is navigate to your privacy and security settings here. And from there navigate to security. And there make sure that this option here is switched on or turned on. If that's not the case, it should be on default here in Opera browser whenever you download it or restore to default settings. But if that's not the case, make sure that you enable it. And that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.